Okay, this is question number 29 from S.A. Verma, in which we have to find out the intensity at a point which is at a distance of 0.5 centimeter away from the center point of the screen. So, 0.5 centimeter from the center point. Center point of the screen can be considered as the origin. So, here there is a screen, and center point of the screen will be like the origin of the coordinate system. So, you can see the x-axis and the y-axis, and so this point here is 0 comma 0, alright, which is the origin. Now from the center point of the screen we have to go up by 0.5 centimeter and check what is the intensity over there. Now going up by 0.5 centimeter means this theta is very small. Why? Because this capital D is given as 2 meter, which is like 200 centimeter. So what is sin theta? Oh sorry, tan theta. So tan theta will be equal to how much? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So it is very small. So theta is very small. So we will use sin theta equal to tan theta. That is the approximation. Now, how do we find out the intensity? To find out the intensity, we have to find out the path difference and thus the phase difference at that point, which is at a y value of 0.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, by the way, let us check whether the constant fringe width situation is there or not. So, lambda is given as 600 nanometer, whereas small d is given to be how much? 2 millimeter. So we can see that small d is much greater than lambda and capital D is much greater than small d. So both the conditions for the constant fringe width are possible. I mean given here. So let's calculate the fringe width. Fringe width, if you do like put the value of lambda, capital D and small d all in millimeter, then you will get the fringe width also in millimeter. Okay. What is the formula for the path difference? Path difference at angular position theta is given by d sine theta. So d sine theta is the path difference. So this d sine theta we will write it as d tan theta, and tan theta is equal to y by capital D. This is tan theta. So this is what it is. So you can see that there is lambda d by d over here. So we will write it as y by beta, which is the fringe width. 2 pi is also there. So actually d sine theta is a path difference. To get the phase difference, we have to multiply it by 2 pi by lambda. So what is the phase difference coming out to be? Phase difference will be equal to 2 pi into y by fringe width beta. So this y value is 0.5 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, which is like 5 millimeter, whereas the fringe width is 0.6 millimeter. So 5 millimeter divided by 0.6 millimeter. So this becomes like 100 pi by 6 or 50 pi by 3, which is the phase difference at that point y equal to 0.5 centimeter. This phase difference, which is 50 pi plus pi by 3, can be written as 16 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Now what about the intensity? So we know the formula for intensity, and also we have calculated now the delta value, which is the phase difference that we will substitute here. But what is given to us is the intensity at the center point of the screen, which is 0.2 watt per meter square. Now at the center point of the screen, theta is 0, so delta is 0, and I1 equal to I2 equal to I0, which is the intensity at the point of the screen due to individual slits. Now what about the intensity at the center point? Intensity at the center point is 4 I0, because this is also I0, this is also I0, and at the center point cos of delta will be 1, and this is 2 i's of I0, so 4 I0. And that 4 I0 is the intensity at the center point of the screen, which is given to be 0.2. So I0 is equal to 0.05. Coming back to this point, which is at y equal to 0.5 centimeter, we have already calculated the phase difference to be equal to 16 pi plus 2 pi by 3. So let us substitute here 16 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Actually, although I should be substituting like 16 pi plus 2 pi by 3, but here I have substituted only 2 pi by 3, because cos of theta plus 2 pi is anyway equal to cos theta only. So you can ignore so many multiples of integral multiples of 2 pi. So this will not affect the cosine value. So cos of 2 pi by 3 is minus half. So half and half gets cancelled. We get minus I0. So minus I0, this is also. So I0 only. Oh, 0.05. So this is the answer.